Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to delete WhatsApp channel very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp and then click on update. So after this, here you can see your channel. So click on it and then click on profile and then scroll down, and at the last you can see delete channel. So just click on it. So after this, click on delete. So here write your phone number. So after writing the phone number, then click on delete. So you can see channel is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete channel on WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.